Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. I hope you guys got a good start on your book yesterday and you were able to think of a pattern that you're going to repeat with all of your holiday traditions. I also hope that you thought of who you're going to give this book to. I decided I was going to give mine to my mom because she's a part of all my holiday traditions, and I think it would be sweet for me to just let her know some of the things that I look forward to doing with her every year because it's a tradition, right? And so I just wanted to review today about how we'll write our pages in our pattern book. And so yesterday I decided that I liked the pattern the best. We like to, and those are all snap words, right? Words that we know. So what we're gonna do is we are going to get this out as we write, and it's gonna remind us that when we write sentences, we have to do these four things. We have to say the word, write the word, read the word, and add a space. So I am going to write about one of my favorite traditions, and that is baking cookies. So my sentence will be, we like to bake cookies. That will be 5 words. Will you guys count those words with me on your fingers? We like to bake cookies. 5 words. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say the words as I'm ready. So I'm going to say, we, and then I'm going to read it back, we, leaving a space, like. I'm going to say it as I write it, like. I'm going to read back, we like to. We like to, now bake, that's not a sight word. I might have to get something out. I might have to get my alphabet strip out, or if I can find my writing resources. Don't forget that we have this. If we need to stretch out words slowly, we can look. We've got to stretch them out and say the word slowly. Bake. And boys and girls, my class has been working on a silent E at the end. If I put an E at the end of this, it will make the A say its name. Right now, this says, we like to back. I don't want to say back cookies. I need to put a silent E to make it say bake. The E makes the A say its name. We like to bake cookies. And so that would be the first page in my holiday tradition book. And so I would draw my picture. You guys will probably draw your pictures first, okay? Because that will help you be thinking about your sentence. So I probably should have done that, I'm sorry, but you guys will draw your picture. So I'm gonna draw my cookies on here. That chocolate chip cookies we like to bake. A lot of times we like to make cookies that are, I have a holly cookie cutter that looks like this that I like to bake with. All right, so I might draw my cookies, and I'll keep going and drawing all of my stuff on my page. Now, when you're done today, once you're done drawing and illustrating, then I want you to do something fun. I want you to take your watercolor and I want you to watercolor your page of the day. All right, so once you write your sentence with your pattern words and you've illustrated, okay, and if you want to label, you can go back and label. And then I want you to take your watercolor and you're going to watercolor your page, okay? And so you have to be careful to get your paper towel out so that you can blot off the extra water, right? And you'll watercolor it in and then let it dry, okay, and set it to the side. Sometimes I let mine dry and then I put something heavy on it once it's dry to kind of flatten it out, and you'll put that to the side. So you'll have your cover done, and then you'll have your pages that you do today done, and you'll let them dry, okay? And then I'm going to talk to you in a little bit about what we're going to do when we come back and how we will put all of our pages together. We'll do that at the end. All right, but that's what we're going to keep working on. We're going to keep working on using our pattern to build sentences, okay? And I can't wait to hear about all your holiday traditions that you guys have. There's so many fun things that we like to do in our families around the holidays. So it'll be really fun to hear about some of your traditions, some of the things that you like to do, because your family might not be like my family. You might celebrate a different holiday, or you might celebrate a different way, and that's really cool. So I'm excited to hear about your traditions and your family. And I'm sure whoever you make this book for is going to be so excited to be reminded of all the fun holiday things that you guys do. So this will be a nice gift to give to someone. All right, well, good luck with your sentence building, and I will see you back on Thursday for more writing.